good morning. Yes, good morning children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Then we will start. Yes, tell me, what is the date today? Today the date is 8th. Okay, we are in the month of October. Year is 2021. Today, Friday. Yes, Friday. So we have English also as well as cursive writing also, right? Yes. So let us see the thought for the day. Yes, success is a journey, not a destination. Success is a journey. It is not a destination. Okay? Yes. Then, yes, nothing. Take out your cursive writing book, children. Yes, cursive writing. Yes. Till where we completed, children? Yes, till sit, use, call, act. Right, till there we completed. Page number 4. Yes, till here we have been completed. Now, page number 5. Yes, page number 5. Take out page number 5. Yes. See, listen carefully. Yes, this is what? Odd. Okay, first one is odd. O-D-D. How you'll write O-D-D? Odd. Yes? O. See? Like this, then like this, then look at it carefully, children. Like this. Are you looking? Yes, then fat. Touch the red line, then come again to the down red line. Then like this. A. T, neatly you should write, okay? Fat, F-A-T, fat. Then E, see like this, then like this, then go like this, okay? Then again, see like this, okay? End, E-N-D, end. Next is run. See, like this you should start, okay? R, then U, then N, see like this, okay? R-U-N, run, okay? Like this you have to complete full page, okay? Yes, then next page also we have, yes, next page also we will complete, page number 6, okay? Yes, what is this? Read R-O-A-C, rose. How you will write the capital R? Already you learned, right? See, like this. Then like this. Are you looking at? Look carefully, children. See, like this. Then make it a, you should write O inside the blue line itself. Then yes also. Okay, then like this. Then you can join from here. Then you can write E like this. Okay, R-O-A-C, rose. Then next is lotus. See, like this. Already you learnt capital L how to write in the cursive writing, right? See, like this. O. Okay, then T. Touch the red line, upper red line. Then like this. Lotus. Okay, then jasmine. This is J. Okay, how you will write J, children? See, join like this, then come, see like this, easy, okay? You should practice, then only it will come. A, S, then M, I, N, E, jasmine, like this, okay? Is the next tulip. This is T. How you will write the capital T in cursive? See, like this. Like this. Then U, L, I, then P, like this. Tulip. Okay? Yes. See, I will show on the board also, children. Look at it carefully. Look at the board very carefully. Once again, I will show you. Okay? Yes, odd. How you write odd? Oh, like this. Getting inside the blue line itself. Then D. See? Like this. D. O-D-D. Odd. Then fat. both the line. Okay, here. See that you should not touch here, like this only you should come. Okay, F A T, fat. Okay, then end. E, see like this, then like this, then D, see like this. Okay, D, E and D, end. Okay, then next is run. R U N, run. Okay, like this. No need to put this. Enough, like this. Okay, run. Write down neatly, children. Take your own time to write. Write very neatly. Cursive writing should be really very neat, not very dirtily. And you should touch the respected lines and you should write. Understand? However you like, you should not write like that. Okay, write neatly and send. I will check each and every lines whether you have written correctly or what. I will check it. So touch the line correctly, properly and write down. Okay. Then next page we have is rose. I already showed you, right? Once again I will show on the board. Look at it carefully, children. Look at the board. See, first you come like this. Then go upper. Again like this. Then again down like this. Then make it O. O. Then again S. Then E. Rose. R-O-A-C like this. Okay. Then next you can touch here, children. Here, okay. Not there. Understanding? Yes. The next is lotus. L. See? Easy L is. See like this. Okay. L. Then O. Then T, touch the red line. Come to the blue line. Then U. Then yes. Okay. See like this. Lotus. Then jasmine. See like this. Okay. J. Okay. Then join that line. Then A. Yes. Okay. Then M. From here you can join like this. Okay. Are you seeing the board, children? Yes. Then I N E. What is this? Jasmine. Okay. Then tulip. How you write tulip? See? Like this. Then again go like this. Come like this. Then stop till there. Then you join from here. Okay. See? You like this. Look at the board, children. Then touch the red line. Come again like this. Then touch the red line, down the red line. Then like this. Tulip. Okay. Neatly, slowly, if you write neatly, you can write. Okay. So this is T. Okay. See like this. T. This is J. L. R. How to write? Already you have practiced the capital cursive writing, even small letter cursive writing, right? Like that only. Once again I will show J how to write. Look at the board very carefully. Okay. See? Like this. Then join it again till there. Then like this. This is J. Okay. Then I will show you T also. Okay. It's T. See? Again like this. Then come. Then no need to join this much enough. This is T. Okay. How to write, you know, right? If you practice in your 4 lines book also, you have old 4 line rough note books, right? In that you can practice these words by writing in a cursive writing. Okay. And even in English also, English notes also, you can write like this neatly. Yes, I will put star for you and good also. I will mention down very good like that. I will mention and I will give star also. if you write very neat handwriting. Okay? Yes. Who all wants good and star, then write neatly. Okay? Improve your handwriting. Okay? Try to write in the notes also as well as in cursive writing also. And practice in the rough notebook also how to write these words. Practice. If you practice only it will come. One day if you write and leave it, it will not come. Daily you should practice, then only it will come. Okay? So try to practice. Yes? Easily, if you concentrate on that, easily you can learn how to write in a cursive. Okay? Yes. So complete page number 5 and 6. Okay? Complete page number 5 and 6. Okay? And send it in the group. Each and everybody should complete it, children. Okay? Nowadays I am getting very less homework from grade 2. It should be more. How many are there, but how many are sending? Very less you are sending, children. This is not good. Daily you should send. Each and every subject you should send regularly. No need to mention in the group and all. Always we should mention your names in the group. It is not good, right? I will not do that. That's why I am telling you in the video itself, please complete the homework regularly. Not only homework, classwork, everything. All the subjects. Try to complete that day's homework, classwork that day itself. Okay? Yes. Before 8 p.m. you should send. After if you send, we will not be correcting. Already we told you, right? If there is school, then will you write or no? Fastly you will write and show us, right? Then what about that? You are at home only, right? Nothing work for you. You are free only. You can do, right? Then why are you taking it as burden? If you watch the video clearly, everything clearly you can write. If you are not watching the video, then you will not be able to complete it. Okay? So please do your homework and send it in the group regularly and before 8 p.m. Okay? Yes. Then today we will end up the class. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.